Welcome to Nuon's how-to series of videos. In this episode we're going to look at how to use the IntelliTurn with Headland Turn Sequence 2 feature on T6 Dynamic Command tractors. The IntelliTurn system can now be linked with the HTS2 feature, which means the raising and lowering of the implement can be triggered when the tractor reaches a set distance from the field boundary. When recording the Headland Turn sequence, there are now 3 recording options to choose from: time, distance and new auto, which is the link between HTS2 and IntelliTurn. For the purpose of this demonstration, the HTS2 system has already been recorded and the IntelliTurn system has been engaged. When coming to the boundary, the operator now has to confirm the HTS2 sequence using the HTS button on the command group. The recorded sequence will now be carried out.